Today's lecture is going to be about the collective nouns. First of all, we have to know what is a collective noun. A collective noun is a word that refers to a group of people, animals, or things as one entity. So each collective noun represents a collection or a group of either people, animals, or things. For example, family. Family is a collective noun. The word family refers to a group of people, family members. Team, it is a collective noun. It also refers to a group of people. Committee, choir, faculty. Fleet, fleet is a collective noun. It refers to a group of ships. Herd is a collective noun. It refers to a group of animals. Gang is a collective noun. It refers to a group of thieves, etc. So each one of these collective nouns refer to a group of either people, animals, or things as one entity, as one unit. Regarding the number of the collective nouns, the collective nouns can be singular or plural. Collective nouns like family, herd, group, team, gang, fleet, etc. Each one of them can be singular and can be plural with the same form. The first case is that the collective noun is singular. It is singular when we think of this noun as a single unit. So here we are thinking about the collective noun as a unit, not as members in the unit, not as members. We are thinking about the collective noun as a unit. And according to that, the collective noun goes with singular verbs and take singular pronoun. Let's have some examples. John's family is very famous. In this sentence, family is a collective noun. This collective noun is singular because here we are talking about family as a single unit, not as family members. That is why we say John's family is very famous. It is followed by a singular verb, is, because family here refers to a single unit. Every morning, the herd follows its leader to the watering hole for a drink. The herd is the collective noun. Here it is singular because we are referring to the herd as a single unit, not as members, not as the animals in the herd, but as the herd as a single unit. That is why it is followed by a singular verb, a verb with s herd. In addition to that, we have the pronoun its that refers back to the herd. So it is singular. The group seemed happy with its performance. Again, the group is a collective noun. In this sentence, it is singular because here we are referring to a single unit, the group as a single unit, not as group members. And we know that it is singular because we have the pronoun its that refers back to the group with its performance. So it is singular. Second, the collective noun is plural when we think of the separate individuals within the unit. So the collective noun can be plural only when we think of the separate individuals, the members within the unit. For example, within the family, we have members. When we are talking about the family members, not the family as a single unit, here the collective noun family is plural. And because the collective noun is plural when we are talking about the members within the unit, the separate individuals within the unit, it will go with the plural verbs and it takes a plural pronoun. Let's take an example. John's family are celebrating his 60th birthday. John's family are celebrating. Notice that here family is not a single unit. Here we are talking about the family members who are celebrating his birthday. So here we are talking about the members. That is why the verb after family is in the plural form, are celebrating. Because family here means the individuals, the members of the family, not the family as a single unit. Now that they have seen the wolf, the herd are running out in all directions. The collective noun the herd here is plural because it is followed by are running. Because here it means the animals in the herd, not the herd as a single unit. Here we are talking about the animals, like for example the sheep in the herd, which are running in all directions when they have seen the wolf. That is why this collective noun is plural, and the verb after this collective noun is plural also, are running, because we are talking about the animals within the unit, the animals in the herd. We are not talking about the herd as a single unit. In the last example, the group are changing their shirts. The group, the collective noun group, is plural because here we are thinking about the group members. We are thinking about the individuals in the group, not the group as a single unit. That is why the following verb is in the plural form, are changing. In addition to that, we have their shirts. The refers back to the group, which means that we are not referring to the group as a single unit. Here we are talking about the members in the group. That is why we have the pronoun their. So here the group is plural because we are talking about the members in the group, not as a single unit. That is why it is plural, and it goes with the plural verb are, and it takes a plural pronoun there. Let's go back to the noun paradigm. In the noun paradigm, the collective nouns occupy two positions, at least two positions, the stem and the plural form, because most of the collective nouns can be made plural. For example, class, classes, family, families, flock, flocks, team, teams, fleet, fleets, group, groups, gang, gangs, etc. So they can be made plural. That is why we can have the plural form of the collective noun in the noun paradigm. In addition to that, if the collective noun consists of animate members, like for example, family consists of animate members of human beings. Flock consists of animate members of animals. Class, team, etc. In this case, we can have the four forms in the noun paradigm. So we can have the stem, the plural form, the singular possessive form, and the plural possessive form. For example, family is the stem. The plural form is families. The singular possessive form is families with the apostrophe before the S. And the plural possessive form is families, the apostrophe after the S. But if we want to write the noun paradigm of fleet, we will have two positions only, the stem and the plural form. Because a fleet is a group of ships, or sometimes a group of cars, inanimate things. That is why we will have just two positions in the noun paradigm, the stem and the plural form. The singular possessive and the plural possessive are empty. Fleet is the stem and the fleets is the plural form in this noun paradigm.